So any running the campaign, the total we have the 4 options is there: pause, resume, remove, and edit your campaign. So based on the campaign, the option will be eligible. So once running the campaign, to stop the total campaign, select it, click for pause. Click for pause. So next will be click for enable. One is enable and pause. Enable nothing but resume. Pause nothing but you can pause your ad temporarily. After that, open your ad. Suppose you can change this ad will be for edit your particular ad. So I'm adding one video, but I'm changing for another video. Go for edit. This is your ad group. Save. Now open it. Now you can see your ad here. I'm adding for Coca-Cola ad. Now changing for edit. Edit your ad. Edit the ad. What ad will be here? Remove it. Add new 5-second video ad. So what is the video will be there in 5 seconds? So we can check. Now go for this video. We have to check it. This video is accept or not. Then for add here, every option. Now this will be not Coca-Cola ad. This will be save and continue. So when you're running campaign time, you change your ad also. Depend on ad changes will be happen. Total 4. The 4 will be pause, resume, and remove and edit. The final one is called remove. Here, remove campaign will be go to main campaign. Which campaign I will remove? Select the campaign. So this campaign running. Select this checkbox. Go for edit. Here click for remove. Why? Because you only have the 2 options, enable and pause. When click the checkbox, go for edit. Here will be going for remove the campaign and click the remove. The campaign will be removed permanently. Then this is your remove the campaign. One is a pause, resume, edit, and remove. These 4 options will be eligible. If anyone asks interview question, you can running the campaign, you can change your campaign structure. Anytime you can change your campaign structure when running the campaign time. But when you're changing running campaign, first you can go for pause after changing the campaign structure. Running, don't changing any campaign structure. When you click for pause, change your campaign structure.